What's up, guys? Welcome to the channel. This is B-Side Investing. We are looking at our 100k challenge, so 1k to 100k, and right now let's just look at Bitcoin price right now. So if you look at my if you check out my Bitfarms video, just I did it like around 12 noon today. I just released it then, and yeah, so if you want to check that out, yeah, it's just right before this one. And I said that Bitcoin should be up today, and it is, well, after the huge drop here. So, right, so we kind of ended up closing yesterday at around 50, I want to say 56, 56.1. So around here, so that's 5,600. And when I was making the video, it dropped, but then it came right back up before closing at about 56.6. So it was up about 600 bucks. So anyways, and Ethereum is also up today. Thing is, I'm not sure why HUT8 is down today. So that's weird. Yeah, I didn't react fast enough, but yeah, so today we are just down about 1%, so that's because of HUT8. HUT8 just shot up real quick, like it just right off the bat, and ended up at plus 5%, so that kind of at least saved us for today. And yeah, so there wasn't any news with HUT8 today. The consensus in the message board and all that is a rumor going around that they're gonna well, you got to keep in mind this is just a rumor, that they're gonna keep pushing out more news, and also they're gonna do the NASDAQ listing news this week. So I'm not sure if that's accurate. Like I said, it's a rumor, but you know, that's what happens. People buy the rumor and then sell the news. So I think that's what's happening. Or maybe it's just a reaction to yesterday's news, but it doesn't seem likely because Bitfarms had a way better news, and HUT8 had a way better news than this Validus Power PPA that they had. Yeah, so who knows, right? So that's what the rumor is, and time will only tell. So we have 4 more days for this weekend, till this weekend, and we'll find out. But with Bitfarms, they did announce that they did their Form 40F. What was it? Like, they released it on Friday. If you look right here, so we are finalizing the submission for our SEC Form 40F right now. So that would be on that would be April 16. And from my research, it shows that it takes about 5 to 6 weeks once the Form 40F is done. So I think that's what we need to expect with Bitfarms. But with HUT, they're kind of ahead in terms of the paperwork, and they're really quiet about it. So I'm not sure what's going on there. So we'll see. Yeah. So today we kind of ate a lot of L's today, but we've been taking L's left and right. Census keeps dropping more. I thought it found the bottom, but it's just creating new bottoms here. So anyways, Bitfarms, we started to go minus now all the time. Okay. And Bitfarms is really cheap right now. It's crazy. Yeah, so Bingo is up today. Bingo was up like 13% in the morning, but it kind of leveled off. It came back down, and then it just sat around 2-3%. Yeah, 2%. And yeah, so Banksa minus 15, Yeah, big hit, but you have to realize the companies are doing fine. It's just people's sentiment. It just that's how it's going right now. So I don't think Maxa dropped. Yeah, they dropped 10% today. So and NDA also dropped a lot today. They dropped what? Oh, not that. Okay, not that much. 6%. Yeah. My average price is 117. Okay, that's a buying opportunity right there. I don't know if it's gonna hold into next week, but we'll see. And right, so there's not much to cover today. Right now, let's see. Yeah, this thing's kind of up and down anyway. Let's see. So Tattooed Chef, Bingo, Big Digital, yeah, minus 16. I don't think there was any news. No, there wasn't any news about Big Digital. Yeah, these are really, really like high risk, high reward stocks. So I'm prepared for these huge ups and downs. So not really worried about it. So let's see. So okay, so one thing with Bitcoin, there's a trend now that people are hodling their Bitcoin and keeping it in cold storage. So we're seeing less and less supply out there, and institutional buyers are obviously buying more and more. So you have to realize at some point supply and demand kind of kicks in, and slowly it's gonna raise the price up higher and higher. So you just have to be patient with it right now, because I know it's tough, and it's tough for me too. I mean, but I know I'm not a short-term investor, so I'm looking at the long-term outlook and seeing huge potential here with just blockchain technology in general. And yeah, so really taking an interest to it. I know, like, looking at my portfolio, I'm taking a lot of like L's in the short term. It may look like L's, but trust me, like, this thing will go up, and slowly I should be up 50% on each of these stocks. It may be hard to see now, but with the blockchain companies, in 10 years, these things are going to be huge. So right now we're in the early stage, and some of the companies are doing some experimental stuff with supply chain and all that, with DeFi tech. So you have to really like look at it with the long-term lens, kind of. So DeFi kind of went down too today, 116. I'm waiting to buy this right now. Like, I'm gonna add at least 500-600 real quick. We'll see how that goes. I might have to readjust with these stocks, maybe. Maybe, yeah. I don't know if I should set bingo again to get DeFi tech. We'll see how it goes. Coinbase went down today. Looks like Coinbase is down 3%, and at least it's not that bad with Coinbase. I would think Coinbase is kind of like, it's already at the highs, so I would kind of move or look towards Voyager. I would look at Voyager. It's at $21. Jeez, I'm down 10 bucks. Yeah, okay. Its market cap is only $2.7 billion, and that is Canadian, by the way. So, and if you look at Coinbase, it is valued at now $60 million. So Coinbase kind of fell $40 billion in a span of less than a week. So yeah. Anyways, I think that's it for this one. I mean, today was kind of a slow, like, little cushioned blow today. We did have some bad, like, negative stocks, but it was kind of lifted up with HUT's performance, kind of. So I'm expecting, well, not expecting, but because of the rumors, I want to see what's happening this week. Because Bitfarms did release news really quick, like back to back kind of thing. and I don't know if it's a either a like a I don't know, to look towards launching a bigger news at the end, or it's just to cushion the blow with Bitcoin price going down that much. So we'll see how it goes. So past week we're down 19%. Jeez, we're down 1% this. Yeah, and in the month we're down -24. So yeah. I'll look to add more cash next week and invest with that. Hopefully I'll get in at a good price. Yeah, so it's funny how I want these things to go up, but then I don't want it to go too fast, so that I can at least get some in there. So yeah, overall market was down, so at least that's that. But like the stocks that retail investors are in, they are taking a huge hit. So hopefully this thing works out quick. At least I would say maybe 1 month time, maybe. We'll see how it goes. Anyways, please feel free to like and subscribe, and please know this is not financial advice, and always fact check and do your own research. So yeah, and thank you for watching, and see you in the next one. Peace.